Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. I know you guys love no credit check loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. And right here in front of you, here is another opportunity exclusively for you from Credit Viral channel. Yes, we are now one of the most fastest growing channels on YouTube, and it happened just because of you guys. And remember that right after this video I am going to upload an amazing video for all of you out there, which will allow you to get a $15,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So if you want to get that card, please click on the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and don't forget to click on the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm and it helps us grow the channel as well. So please don't forget to click the like button. Now let's start the video. So I'm going to tell you step by step what are the perks of this loan and what are the downsides, and as well as what are the steps you need to take in order to get this loan, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill, everything in detail. So bear with me till the end of this video. So this loan is provided by Money One Federal Credit Union. This financial institution has been around from several years and serving more than 4 million people in United States of America. So the first thing we need to see that what are the benefits. Remember, there's no credit check, so don't worry about it. If you are going to apply for it, you need to fulfill some requirements and it's guaranteed approval if you fulfill those requirements. So don't worry about it that you have bad credit or worse credit in this entire world. So let's talk about the benefits first. So the benefits is that it says that avoid payday lenders which add enormous fees on top. Yes, as you know that payday loans are the worst in this entire world. It can come up with huge APR, and if you take $100, sometimes you might end up paying $2,000 on that just $100. Yes, it is that bad. So remember what they're claiming right here, that this loan is actually way better than the payday loan. But why they're saying that, let's talk about it in detail. So the second one is actually it repairs your bad credit. Yes, they report to the major credit bureaus just as Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And when you make the loan payments, they will report it to the credit bureau, which will help you to build your credit. And now the third one is the credit history does not affect the decision making. Yes, they are not going to check your credit at all. They're not even going to do a soft pull. So don't worry about it. But if they're not even going to touch your credit, then how you're going to get this loan? Yes, this is the catch in it, and that's what I'm going to tell you about. But let's complete and finish the benefits first, then we are going towards the requirements. So now they said the credit report will not be pulled because they are not going to touch your credit at all, and they charge $40 application fee, which is far less than payday lender fees. Yes, most of the times with the payday loans, you know what happens. If you applied for $500, then you end up getting $300 because sometimes even you have to pay around 40 to 45% on the payday lender fee, and this is crazy, and the APR is so high that you end up paying not even $500 but around $3,000. And I've seen a lot of people and helped a lot of people who were in this black hole, that I can say, and thank God they are rescued by watching our videos on Credit Viral channel. So now let's talk about how much they give you and what are the terms. They actually give you one $500 loan per 12 months. So yes, the maximum amount they give you is $500. Cause remember, it's an emergency fast or instant loan, but it also allows you to build your credit and allows you to get your funds just under 60 seconds. And this is crazy, right? So they give you $500, and the great thing about it that you have 12 months to pay it back. This is an amazing opportunity because when you talk about payday loans, they hardly gives you 2 week or probably in very rare cases just 3 weeks. But this one is actually 12 months, means you have a whole year to pay the loan, and every month whatever you pay, they will report it to the credit bureau, which will help you to build your credit. So this is an amazing pure opportunity for you. So let's talk about that, how many loans you can get it in a year. Well, you can get maximum of 3 fresh start loans. Yes, they call it fresh start loan, and you can actually get it 3, but there are some things you need to fulfill. What I mean by things is you need to fulfill some requirements in order to get more loans from them. And what I mean by more loans is more than one loan. So let's talk about the requirements now. So you have to be a Money One, that's a credit union member, for at least 3 months. Remember, in order to be their member, it's really easy. All you need to do just to open a checking or savings account with them and just have money in there, and it doesn't matter how much, but have money in there for at least 3 months, and your account has to be operative for at least 3 months. So with the previous 3 months, the second requirement is that you have to have a minimum of 3 months verified employment. So what it means that you have to have a job in past 3 months, and it shouldn't be a seasonal job, means not a part-time job, it should be a full-time employment. And if you can just verify that, that would be amazing. You will fulfill their second requirement. Now let's go toward the third one. Make contact with Balanced Financial Fitness prior to receive funding. So don't get confused with this Balanced Financial Fitness, because that's what they call their consultant, like their banking agents or financial consultants. So when you are about to get the loan, what do you need to do? You need to meet with them. You can just actually call them and talk to them on their customer service line, or you can go to their bank, or what I mean by bank is credit union, and you can actually talk to one of the agents. They call them Balanced Financial Fitness agents, and then you can talk to them and tell them that, hey, you want to get a loan, and they will approve you, and then you can apply for it. Now the fourth one is that you shouldn't be having a financial loss to money. What it means that you have to have a positive financial relationship with them. You cannot have any bankruptcies with them. You cannot have any overdraft with them, and at the same time you cannot having a late payment with them. So if you feel like that you're the one who haven't done anything bad, just with Money One, not with others, just leave others, I'm just talking about the Money One credit union. If you haven't done anything bad, you are good to go. Now the other one is actually proof of income. Yes, they require either the job letter, and I think the prominent and the highlighted proof of income is your past 3 months pay stub. If you have it, then you are good at it. So now let's talk about that if you want to get another loan after getting one already. So if you have already got the loan from them and you are paying it, so if you have paid the installments for the past 6 months on time, you can apply for another loan and you can get it. So remember, you can actually get 3 loans in a year, so don't worry about it. If you're paying them on time, you can apply for another $500 loan after paying them on time for at least 6 months. Now the last one is that you have to have a monthly payments, and they should be set up as direct deposit. So monthly payments are set up as automatic deposit or payroll deduction. So whatever your monthly payments are for your balance, it should be automatic deposited or payroll deduction. I'm not going to get into the payroll deduction because it doesn't make sense right here, and I don't want to confuse you guys with this. So it is just like, you know, your loan payment will be automatically deducted from your account. So this is the best way to describe it, and this is exactly what it means. So now these are the things that they say that they require, and believe me, it seems a lot, but they're not. It's just like they have elaborated it in a very foolish manner that I can say, but believe me, these requirements are really easy. So all you need to do, you need to just actually build relationship with them by opening a checking or savings account for at least 3 months. That's the basic requirement that they have. The other one, that you have to have an employment for at least 3 months. That's it. If you have it, you're good to go. Now let's talk about the rates and the APR, because this is one of the most important thing when you talk about the emergency loans and the loans with no credit check, and of course the payday loan. This is not a payday loan, but they are calling it the alternate of it. So we are talking about the fresh start loan. This is the second one that I'm talking about right here. We will talk about the personal and savings secured loan, but in other video, not in this one, because we are talking about the fresh start loan right now. So the APR is 18.25%, and the great thing about it that the term is 1 year, and yes, they do report to the credit bureaus, so then you can improve your credit history and your credit report. So what it does exactly, they will charge you 18.25. Of course, the sooner you pay it in full, you won't have to pay the APR, like the whole APR every month. And remember, if you get $1,000 from them, you are going to pay $91.80, $91.80, sorry, $91.80 every month, and that's how you are going to pay it in 12 months. But remember, I always urge you guys to pay the loan as soon as possible so you can save a lot of money, because the APR is the worst enemy of ours, so I always tell you. So that's what I wanted to show you today. This is the loan, they call it the fresh start loan from Money One Federal Credit Union. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment below, or any concerns, I'll happy to answer. And remember that right after this video, I'm going to upload an amazing video which will allow you to get a $15,000 business credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And don't forget to like this video. Believe me, it makes my day. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.